about to take it, I'm getting it back. And if they hit me, they gotta get taxed. I'm making hit after hit after hit, and I promise you, boy, every one of them slap. Hop on a verse and I body it quick. They never work, and it's why we don't mix. I don't got time for the faking, I swear that.
Hi everyone, welcome on this new tutorial. Hope you're doing well today. So today we're gonna see how to make nice transition for music video. So this can be used for any kind of project, but I like to use this effect for music video. So as you can see here, I've picked up a nice music video from YouTube because I'm not working on any music video right now. So I just picked up something from YouTube as an example, but of course on your case it might be your project. So I've already split up my shots and I'm gonna start with the first transition. So for that, I'm just gonna take my Picture Collage pack, which is available on blinders.com, and I'm gonna select the first one. So for the installation of the pack, it's already available on our YouTube channel. So this pack is available for After Effects and Premiere Pro, and also now for DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so now that I have my motion graphics in my timeline, I'm just gonna put it right on the middle. And I'm gonna hide it. So I'm just gonna split my second shot in 3 shots because as you can see here, I have 3 frames. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna replace each of these shots into my frame. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a frame hold for each of these shots. The first one, the second one, and the third one. And once it's done, I can simply nest my shots. Make sure you nest it separately. Alright, so once it's done, I'm just gonna reveal in projects, select my motion graphics, and replace my stock footage by my nested sequences. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is to duplicate these shots on the top before you nesting your shots and adding frame hold, so you don't have to replace your shots. So in my case, pretty simple because it's a music video, so I just have to split again and I can simply delete my nested sequence. So now I have my full transition, and as you can see here, I've already added some sound effects, so you don't have to do it. Alright, so let's do it for that shot right now. I find it pretty cool because there is a lot of movement. So let's pick up one. Alright, so let's use that one. So I'm gonna do the same. And this time I'm not gonna freeze my frame so you can see the results when it's not with a frame hold. So I'm gonna duplicate my clip. I'm not gonna do the same mistake this time. And I'm gonna split it. So now I'm just gonna nest it without adding a frame hold so you can see the difference. Alright, I can replace my transition right in the middle. I can reveal in the project and simply drag it to my motion graphics templates. Now you can delete your nested sequence. And as you can see here inside of my motion graphics, it's not in frame hold, so we have video inside, which is also pretty cool. I rather prefer when it's freeze frame, but it's up to you. It's also working pretty well actually. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my vintage texture collection pack, and I can add, for example, the 8mm number 1. Just go to your blend mode and add maybe an overlay. And I find it pretty cool to have that kind of effect on that kind of shots. The transition is way smoother, and you can even add some film burns to it. So these are pretty nice actually. So I'm gonna apply to this clip and make a nice transition between both. I'm just gonna select my blend mode and select overlay. As you can see here, it's a nice transition. You can even add one sound effect from the Picture Collage just by duplicate it and select maybe one click. And this is how we can use actually different packs together. So yeah, don't hesitate to mix a little bit more the pack together. As you can see here, we can do like very nice stuff just by adding a 8mm burns to my Picture Collage transition. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. So one advice, don't use only one pack. Try to be creative using more.